Hello, welcome to Ellie V Toys. It's my favourite time of day. It's when we get to open the next door in the advent calendar. We're looking for number 9 because, where is it? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Number 9. We're looking for number 9 because it's the 9th day of December, logically. So what have we got? We've got another buildable Christmas ornament. And it looks like it's a little pole with maybe a lamp, like a little lamppost, a Christmassy lamppost. All right, so let's rip this open and let's get building. All these pieces are trying to roll away from me. That's what happens when your building table's just like on the very slightest of angles, all the rolly things. Yeah, all these little cylinders, they always try and roll straight across the table. So it's making a candy cane kind of pattern, but not with red and white, but with pink and white. And we got the little lamp on the top and the little hat on the lamp. Is it a hat? It's not really a hat. What do you call the top little bit on the lamp? We just call it hat. Anyway, there's a wreath on it as well, and that's it. Nice and simple. And we've got a spare star, and this here is the bit that you can use as a hanger to hang it from your Christmas tree, which I'm not doing at the moment because I'm just really enjoying these as just as playthings. Cool little Lego decoration-y things. But if you want to hang it up, you put your cord through here and you tie it up and you hang it from the tree, and it's perfect. That's really sweet. It was a bit too easy and short though. Oh, that's all right. It's okay, because there's always tomorrow, because we get to open a new door every day, which is so exciting. All right, I will see you tomorrow. We'll see what we get to build for day number 10. So see you back here then. Bye.